आई गेस कि हम इससे बेटर कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि मेरे पास ना माइक का स्टैंड है, वो टूट गया एक्चुअली। एंड बस ये है भाई, और मैं रूम में बैठा हूँ तो यहाँ कूलर भी चल रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारी साउंड आई थिंक ये रिड्यूस भी कर रहा होगा। और आई एम ऑडिबल एक्चुअली, बट जो फिल्टर होता है ना, जो लाइक प्रॉपर साउंड आती है, मैं बहुत अच्छे से क्लियरली बोल रहा हूँ, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि व्हाट इज मैच्ड विद हिम। एंड आई थिंक थोड़ी सी ये जो सिस्टम की जो गेम की साउंड है वो भी लाइक थोड़ी सी क्वालिटी में जाएगी भाई, क्योंकि मैं सिंगल ऑडियो में ही रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, सेपरेट में मुझे वीडियो एडिटिंग में जाना पड़ेगा। बट आई एम जस्ट प्लेइंग दिस गेम टू लाइक रिकॉर्ड ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ ताकि लाइक बस स्टोर कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि यूट्यूब फ्री पे लाइक कुछ भी स्टोर कर सकते हो, तो दैट इज द पॉइंट। और तुम ये भी कह सकते हो कि अगर कोई न्यू व्यूअर देख रहा है इसको, तो इट इज नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल मे बी, क्योंकि क्या करूँगा पैसे कमा के इससे, मेरा गेमिंग इज नॉट अ मेन थिंग। आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी माई मेन थिंग। मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, मैं कोडिंग करता हूँ, मैं गिटार वगैरह बजाता हूँ। सो या इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट, बट आई एम एंजॉइंग दिस गेम, सो आई एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग। और कमेंट्री करने से, बोलने से मन लगा रहता है गेम में, तो इसलिए, क्योंकि मैंने लिटरली अभी बहुत सारे गेम ट्राई करे, ब्लैक में तो सब ड्रॉप कर दिए क्योंकि मेरा मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा था। बट यू नो, ऐसे बोलते बोलते मैं ये गेम में लाइक 1 डेढ़ घंटे बता दिया, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कंप्लीट दिस गेम, एंड आई एम लाइकिंग द कॉम्बैट इज एंड एवरीथिंग इज टू गुड। तो या खेलते हैं फिर। और ये शायद 720p में ही रिकॉर्ड हुआ था, क्योंकि फक, वेट अ सेकंड, व्हाई इज दिस। एक सेकंड, सिंक ऑन करना पड़ेगा क्या? काम करते हैं, सिंक को ऑन करते हैं। सो यार, इट इज कैप्ड ऑन दिस, तो ब्राइटनेस को जितनी है उतनी पे रहने देते हैं, I think। क्योंकि अच्छा दिख रहा था, हल्की सी कम कर सकते हैं। ओह शिट, व्हाट द फक आई डिड। ऑफ 60 एंड ऑन, एंड या अप्लाइड, एंड वी आर बैक। एंड तो लेट्स गोइंग बैक टू द गेम। द गेम इज रियली गुड। इट्स कॉल्ड, नाम क्या था यार गेम का? Rewind, what the fuck? Replaced, sorry, my bad. Replaced. So I'm playing this game Replaced, which is like inside type. But you know, the puzzles, the combat is quite easy of this game. सच बोल रहा हूँ, अच्छा है। Like combat बहुत बढ़िया है, but easy भी है at the same point. It needs a reflexive, but it is not like कि Sekiro जिसमें तुम मरे जा रहे हो, कुछ हो रहा है. And I don't think the game need to do this. It's quite good. The story is going really good. और तो स्टोरी ऐसे है कि जैसे हमारे जो वो फीनिक्स थी, वो एक लेबोरेटरी थी, उसमें वॉरेन नाम का एक बंदा था जो हमें ट्रेन कर रहा था, समथिंग ही वाज डूइंग विद इट। एंड वी आर लाइक दे आर सिटिंग, और हम वॉरेन से कहते हैं तुम्हारा माइंड कंट्रोल में नहीं है, यू नीड टू स्टॉप, गो समवेयर। और लिटरली उतने में बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट होता है। बट आई थिंक वॉरेन जो था अच्छा बंदा था, ही केयर्ड फॉर अस। और हम वॉरेन की बॉडी लेते हैं, और आई डोंट नो, वॉरेन इज नॉट इवन स्पीकिंग, there's no dialogue of Warren, बस लाइक जो एआई है हमारा रीच, उसका नाम रीच है। तो वो ऐसा है कि वो उससे बोलता है, वॉरेन वी नीड टू कॉम्बैट डूइंग दिस एंड दिस, यू नीड टू सी द पार्ट 1 ऑफ द वीडियो टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, क्योंकि मैंने बता दिया और यही है उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन। फिर ऐसे ही चलता रहता है, हम एक्सकेप करते हैं कि स्नाइपर वाली वो चलती है, क्या कहते हैं, कार चलती है, इसमें स्नाइपर लाइक लाइट से फोकस करता है और तुम्हें छुप छुप के जाना पड़ता है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत सारी गेम्स में होती है जी, बहुत सारी गेम्स में होती है। और फिर वी गेट कॉट, बट एक टेम्पेस्ट नाम का बंदा आता है, बहुत क्रेजी, बहुत कूल सा आता है, हेल या बेबी कुछ भी उल्टी सीधी लाइक वो रॉक वाले डायलॉग्स मारता है, और मजा आता है भाई, मजा आता है। तो बस ऐसी वो स्टोरी चल रही है, हम वापस लेबोरेटरी में जाना चाहते हैं। आई फॉरगॉट द पर्पस वाई वी आर गोइंग बैक टू, सब कुछ ठीक करने के लिए। और ऐसा है कि लाइक पहले, लाइक अभी 1984 का शायद समय चल रहा है इस गेम में, और इससे पहले शायद 20-25 years बैक, दिस वॉज अ कॉल्ड समथिंग क्रोमेस्टिक, कुछ तो नाम था उसका, जो पार्ट 1 में दिया गया है। वो एक्सप्लोजन होता है रेडिएशन वाली, जिससे लोगों की स्किन जलती है, और यहाँ पे अमेरिका में कोई उस पर ध्यान नहीं देता है, पॉलिटिकल वो होते हैं, सब छोड़ के भागना चाहते हैं। बट या तो हमने यही देखा गेम में अभी तक, बाय एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड रीडिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरियल्स एंड नोट्स। तो बहुत कुछ था। और कंटिन्यू करते हैं। जिस टाइम हम टेम्पेस्ट से मिले, और टेम्पेस्ट कहता है मैं तुम्हें एक सेफ लोकेशन पे लेके चलता हूँ, और वहां पे उसके बंदों से मिलवा दो। और टेम्पेस्ट एंड वी आर कॉल्ड, क्या बोला था उन्होंने हमें, कुछ तो नाम दिया था बहुत, वी डिस्पोजल्स, ये लोग हमें डिस्पोज करने के लिए बैठे हैं और कुछ नहीं। तो आई थिंक वी आर एआई है, मैंने गूगल पे देखा था, एआई बोल रहे थे कि ये रोबोट है। चलो फिर चलते हैं, देखते हैं। सो वी आर बैक विद द सेम कट सीन। अब थोड़ा सा हमें भी समझ आएगा कि क्या चल रहा है गेम में। आई थिंक जो सिंक है वो ठीक हो गया है, और आई थिंक वी सिंक ऑन करेंगे तो एफपीएस लिमिटर कम ही हो जाएगा। इट इज कम्प्लीटली ओके भाई। कांट वी डू इट ऑन द फुल साइज भाई, लाइक ये अच्छा है कि जैसा भी है, बट मजा नहीं आ रहा ना, वही तो बात है। इतना कम तो नहीं रखूंगा मैं इसको। इट वाज ऑन द सेंटर, तो इसको इतना डिम कर सकते हैं ये सही। We are rich and we are in the Warren's body, I think, as the game says. बाकी आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है। Well bottom, humble auto, beach best vacation around. If you like your hopes and dreams in the gutter, that sound like the best vacation. Just talking to, it's the safest place in this side of the wall. ठीक है? The best home you are going to find here. Anyways, enough sentimental bullshit. I'm taking the car to the garage for baby to her real beating back here. Okay. Where do I go now? Where do we go? Let's meet at the bar. Enter the main building up the stairs. ठीक है, मुझे पता है ये क्या कह रहा है। तो वो यही पूछ रहा है हमारा रीच की, लाइक कहाँ जाना है, और उसकी गाड़ी उसने जो ठोकी, तो मजा आ गया था भाई उस सीन में। तो सही है, हम देखते हैं कि क्या करना है हमें। वी आर इन द मेन सिटी, आई थिंक फिनिक्स की। Enter and we'll go. Nice. That's so good, so cool, भाई, so cool. And we need to go to a bar, and I think बार पे जाना है, और बार पे जाके उससे मिलना है, वो बताएगा कि हमें कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है। ओके, ये बहुत सारे लोग हैं, यू कैन फाइंड। फक भाई, इसको हटा यार। मैट्रियाक इन द बिल्डिंग, शील हेल्प। मैट्रियाक, this shit is useless. What is this appliance? A piece of fucking junk. I thought I could watch the birdies from here. इसका नाम डेविड है। The birdies, the phoenix bastards patrolling the wall high when they need to eat, sleep and take a shit. ठीक है। If I can calculate the shift changes, I can sneak through Phoenix City is closer than ever. There's just one tiny problem. The lens is scratched, can't see shit. मतलब ये ठीक है। I'll just replacing it. Great advice. I'll just bring up the near obstacle service center and order an. है ही नहीं है। Oh wait, there isn't one smartest. Although there's a real girl at the arcade inside the station hall. She always carries a pair of binoculars with her. I tried to buy them off her once, but all she did was mutter, grab her friends and high scores. How about you go and get the binoculars? Bring them and I'll take you to the city with me. Am I supposed to do that? Don't know, don't care. There's no price high enough for the chance to go back. There's no price high enough for the chance to go back. मतलब भाई उस सिटी में कुछ है ही नहीं है कि लोग वहाँ पे जाएं। इसका मतलब यही है। When you are done, find me up there on the platform. I'll try to push the pipe on the wall. There with that freaky attacker in the wall. How did you get here? Sold my eye to the corporation. What the fuck does it even mean by? Oh, don't look at me like that. Do you ever hear of hitting rock bottom? Seemed like a good idea at that time. After all, I had two of them. and I woke up behind the wall just when you think it can't get any worse. तो मतलब walls के पीछे मतलब सिटी में, but I think there are some walls इसके अंदर पूरा मेन सिटी है, वहाँ पे कब्जा कर रखा है, कुछ तो बकचोदी हो रखी है। और लेट्स सी, expecting fire farewell. What exactly do you want to see? Troopers, there's are dozens of, no, hundreds of them, packed them like sardines, all around the solar panels. Fuckers start shooting anyone who gets too close to the wall. Like, but I'm smart, I'll observe, count them, make notes, and when no one is watching, I sneak right past the bastards. You can tag along. If you bring me the arcade girl's lens, I should go. No, not stopping you, come back with the binoculars. Can we talk something more? I guess no, I should go. Uh, oh भाई, there are actually people like जिनका like मुझे नहीं पता, but nothing is good with them, I guess. Nothing is good. They are like helpless people. What is this? Strange counting rhyme. 1 and 2 and old termite is talking you. 2 and 4, your mom won't see you anymore. 5 and 6, termite will chop in bits. 7, 8, he'll grill and serve you on a plate. 9 and 10, now your meal for Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben. Okay, thanks. Okay, यहाँ पे भी like you can proceed. और उससे बाइनोकुलर्स है ना, my footsteps, where are my footsteps? बहुत सारे लोग हैं और अच्छे लोग हैं भाई, बट ये की हालत खराब हो रखी है, लिटरली हालत खराब हो रही है। नीड टू गेट a scrap job this month, minds me to sit. और हाँ, like ये game is something about mines, actually low tech, like they are targeting mines something, कुछ तो है। Dispose, I think these are disposes। हाँ, एक चीज थी जैसे कि जो वो था डिस्पोजल्स, मे बी आई एम नॉट अ डिस्पोजल गाय, दे आर ऑल डिस्पोजल्स, वी आर जस्ट द एजेंट। बट जो वॉरेन था, जो मेन गाय था जिसने हमें बनाया, वो डिस्पोजल था मे बी, तो कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है। ओके, तो वी आर इन द 83, another shift collapsed, damned frostbite took a piece of my arm while I tried to get the boys out of there. The doctor told me to start a diary to go, but how am I supposed to write with my left hand? Bullshit. Oh my god. A shift collapsed. Another chef collapsed. Then frostbite took my piece of my arm while I tried to get the boys out of there. The doctor told me to start a diary to go, but how am I supposed to write with my left hand? Bullshit. Okay. 4783. Oh, 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 oh. Sorry. Okay, it's not that bad. No prosthetics available. So I'll have to take the scrap job, still better than sitting around like a useless jerk. To be honest, Dog did a great job, and if it weren't for Veronica, I'd be missing a whole lot more than my forearm. Lars is a miracle worker. No nurse ever took such good care of me. Even the military hospital behind the walls. Hope she won't work herself to death. She's still young, so young. Oh my god, she's working in the military hospital. And we're in the 84. ऐसा कुछ लिखा है, and we are done with 2 times. I used to spot the ore deposits in the shaft. Now I have retrained myself to find treasure in the trash. Now my magpie eye for the sparkly stuff never fails me. Great to know I have still got it to deal with whatever life decides to throw at me. Dug out a whole batch of nice fabric, not even unpacked. What kind of entitled douchebag from the other side of the wall threw this way? I'll bring it to Veronica Lash, the fashionista. She'll sue herself a dress for two good old Bob Cleaver never forgets an act of kindness. कुछ तो है, देखते हैं। This is the hospital? Shit, holy shit. The evil computer controls the government, I know it. What is this? And old ticket machine no longer operational. Alright. This is the hospital. Ah man, this is a dump. The world seems full of good men. Even if they are monster in it. Okay, this Veronica. भाई क्या सगड़ा हॉस्पिटल है भाई. जो भी अच्छा है यार. Not the regulator again. It's okay. I'll get used to it. Used to it. It doesn't hurt. Old FPRS booklet. बेंचो मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा भाई ये. इसको पढ़ के करना. Acute acute radiation syndrome is a general negative health effect caused by brief exposure to a strong radiation dose. Early symptoms: fatigue, fever, nausea, erythema, and severe skin pain. Later symptoms: inner organs and skins and muscles degeneration, neural dysfunction. Prognosis: as the blood cell production system and DNA degenerate quickly, the patient will die within 1 month. Chronic radiation syndrome (CRS) is general negative health effect caused by prolonged exposure to a mild or low radiation dose. Early symptoms: fatigue, fever. तो like इसमें I think यही booklet में ये लिखा है FPRS remind. There was no treatment for CRS in the past. However, with the progress of the modern medicine, we are now able to prolong and enhance the lives of our client. The most reliable method of CRS treatment is issue or organ transplantation. If you have any of the described symptoms, please contact the nearest authorized FPRS center. Prognosis: lifespan of patients varies from a year, few years to a decade. The outcome is still ठीक है. एक्चुअली कुछ भी नहीं हुआ और ये हॉस्पिटल है भाई ऐसे ही ना. Stop you. Is something wrong? I'm right there, so I tend to be star machine more often than I tend to my patient. Oh my god, he's frustrated in his life. I'm a doctor, not a goddamn engineer. I know a bit about machine, maybe I can help you. I could sure do with a hand or a leg, a heart or liver, thanks to. What do you mean? Just kidding, I know how to fix it. I just need a spare vacuum regulator. Toyo has one, but I can't leave my patient. Both are in pretty bad condition. ठीक. Could you pay your visit and bring it to me? Doctor's burden, med bay staff. Is it hard to work at the med bay? Take a wild guess. We are fighting death with our bare hands and spiraling. Some come and go, some returns, but most of them don't breathe for too long. Oh my god. I just make sure it doesn't hurt so bad, lessen their pain. Are you the only doctor? The only one stubborn enough to carry on? Like everyone has quit or they don't want to do anything, and he is there, right? He is just there to help. Let me care. I don't find my CPU temperature rising pretty well. Okay. स्टीपर बढ़िया है. इसको ऑफ ही रहने देते हैं. Only one stone and fought to that. There's also Veronica, my chief nurse. तो है Veronica है एक और. Works harder than me trying to be a miracle worker. It's her day off today. That means she's handing out the pills in the old post office. No rest for the wicked. I need to call. Sure, do hurry up and bring me that goddamn regulator. So I think let me check on this. Is there music? Well, there's no music, यार. Find the bug at the find a girl. तो हमें ये करना है. Find a new table. तो इसके लिए यूयो के पास जाना पड़ेगा और find the bar. और टेम्पेस्ट तो है हमारा बंदा. I think जिससे हम गेम में फर्दर प्रोसीड करेंगे हमें करना क्या है एक्चुअली लाइक इन द बार. उसके पहले हम कुछ करते हैं भाई. Have you played Katana Zero? It has got the same vibe because Katana Zero was more pixelated, you know. तो एक्स्ट्रा पिक्सल थे और वो उसकी स्टोरी बहुत क्रेजी थी यार एक्चुअली. द गेम इज सो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड और ये लंबा भी एक्चुअली गेम. कटाना जीरो वाज लाइक 2 to 3 hours गेम और बहुत क्रेजी गेम था वो. एवरी टाइम यू डू मिशन समथिंग यू न्यू यू लर्न. चलो चलते हैं. आई थिंक व्हाट इज दिस वेस्टर्न स्टेशन. नॉट गोइंग देयर फर्स्ट. पहले हम देख लेंगे हमें करना है क्या है एक्चुअली. एक तो ये थी और स्मार्ट क्लॉक में इंडस्ट्रियल हेल्प। आई थिंक यहाँ पे सब हेल्पिंग ही हो रही है। वाई प्रोसीड। Even for the defense squad, huh? What do they know? Tempest was the only 16-man achievement. Why can't I? Who is he? Tower District Prospector. Welcome to the towers. The Okay, the Phoenix Corporation's one of the kind project, a brand new type of resident building for a brand new type of living. Have you ever dreamed of work? अरे भाई ये पता है क्या है? Actually ये सब वो है कि इनने कुछ like promises करे होंगे कि हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम ऐसा करेंगे. But fuck it भाई, ये कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. Like you can see what the condition of people is. Have you ever dreamed of working from home or fresh or high quality food being delivered right to your store? Of your personal solar panels providing you with unlimited energy. All the conveniences, corporate workspaces, schools and kindergartens, medical centers and park zones, theaters and shops, and of course, the best security system in the country. We've gathered the best we can offer for the people of the United States into the incredible city inside the city. Sign up for a personal piece of paradise or on Earth today. Our districts are located. Our district are located around the Phoenix Corporation's key objects. Residencies for Phoenix Corporation employees considered on a case-by-case basis. All the other citizens can learn the conditions of the residential property acquisition in any so sponsored by Phoenix Marketing. So Phoenix was actually good and I think like I'm connecting तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है पहले अच्छा था like somewhere कुछ ना कुछ गलत हुआ है और सब खत्म हो रखा है. Going man, sorry brother, the mats are prescriptions only. Veronica won't give you anything without doctor's order. There are too many people warden, we need to come back later. ठीक है तो हम यहाँ बाद में आएंगे बस. और अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है like we'll go find something and come back here. I guess that damn old man locked himself in his workshop again. Hope he'll get hungry soon cause I need my leg now. What? This man is in a bad mood. We should come back later. What was that? Why is it a bar? Locked himself in his workshop again. I think एक मिनट. सो आई थिंक ये यो ही है इसके अंदर. यो जो भी बंदा है ना वही है तो वही कर पाएगा. और स्कर पार्ट लेना है बाद में आना पड़ेगा. ज़्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं है अब. आई थिंक अभी तो यहीं आना पड़ेगा. वेलकम. What a good place यार. What a really good place. Actually it is. Like इसके अंदर एक और ऐसी like city building something like that. Phoenix Corporation is born. I think ये न्यूज़पेपर के पीसेस हैं क्या भाई? हाँ वही है. First letter US Bulletin September 24 1964 The Rise of the Phoenix. उस टाइम पे like वो बड़ी होगी. Despite years of societal doubts and distrust towards FPRS, our organization has continued to work tirelessly to benefit No, our organization has continued to work tirelessly to benefit the lives of the everyday Americans. Some politicians and public representatives have challenged our method, yet we continue to be guided only by our patriotic love and care for a great nation. Despite numerous obstacles, we overcame the consequences of the 1945 disaster. We support our shoulders. During the crisis in 1962, we continue to preserve and enhance the health of the entire nation. Today, history has put everything in its place. The ones who chose personal ambitions over their nation's interests were left in the past. FPR is proud to announce that the US government has placed great trust in our corporation and approved the reorganization of FPRS. From now on, we are the Phoenix Corporation. The corporate approach will allow us to unite the separate industries. हाँ वही है भाई, फिनिक्स कॉर्पोरेशन वही है। उसका नाम क्या था भाई? वेंडी मैकलियन, प्रेस डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिनिक्स कॉर्पोरेशन। सो गिव मी 5 minutes, आई एम टर्निंग माय माइक ऑफ क्योंकि आई नीड टू कॉल समवन। सो वही है। वी आर बैक एंड आई होप द माइक्रोफोन इज वर्किंग क्योंकि बस ओके। तो हमने देखा कि हाँ लेटर वेटर पड़े हैं यहाँ पे सबके, और ऊपर नहीं आ सकते हैं, नीचे उतरते हैं। और that girl at the arcade, she creeps me out. Is this the arcade? बस लेके आना है क्या? शोध कितना बड़ा एरिया भाई है, लिटरली एक डिफरेंट सिटी इन सिटी। Oh my god. Well, Susan, do you want to talk? Can we go here? नहीं. What is this? A place to call home. म्यूजिक मिल गया, म्यूजिक मिल गया। मस्त है भाई, but we don't have time to see it. वही म्यूजिक बज रहा है इसका। Let's talk to you. I only give things to my best friend and you are not even my friend. So I think ठीक है, तो जो भी है ये what are the requirements for gaining friend status? You talk weird, mister. I am rich, I do not want to scare you, I'm just not good at talking. Me too. Mom says I need friends, but no one wants to talk to me. She's lonely, yaar. But we are talking, so we are friends now. Do you want to play arcade games? I never played arcade games, I do not know. Okay. Never played in the arcade, that's sad. You can play now, I have a lot of games, sir. Lost him to malfunctioning. Tempest got mad and broke my arcade cabinets when I beat his score. And not friends. What the fuck, why Tempest be why he's not a chill guy. Literally broke his arcades because she just overpowered or in the games of course. Oh. But I can fix them with this one. It needs a rectifier. It's like in a ticket machine. But mom says should not walk around alone. But you are an adult, so you can search for it, right? I think I can do that. Cool, I will wait a friend. Binoculars? Can I have a binoculars? I'm a friend, but not the best one yet. Bring me the rectifier and I will think about it. Arcade room. You seem to be fond of arcade machines. Because they are awesome. I can tell you so much about them, but mom told me do not like talking about the arcade. People do not like talking about the arcade. Why? Maybe they're like more things like drinking and whining, but I'm not an adult. So ये बच्ची है. Oh, ये बच्ची है भाई. So I spend most of the time here in the arcade. Literally like she is there sitting. उसके पाँव भी पड़े नहीं. मुझे लगा कि वो एक full fledged girl है, but not. ठीक है. Susan's mom. Where's your mom? My mom is working in the mine as she always does. She is very busy. I wanted to work with her, but she said the mines are not for children. But she said the mines are not for children. And where is your mom? My mom? I do not have a mom. I have one. You have a dad. Nice. Wish I had a dad too, so we could play in the arcade together. Farewell. I have to go. See you soon, friend. Please remember about the rectifier. तो हमें rectifier लेके आना है. I don't know from where, but like मेरा ही. वो इसको कह रहा था भाई यही थी क्या मार्केट में ये लड़की अच्छी तो है भाई. She is good. Let's go in here. ऊपर क्या है? अच्छा. My bad. एक मिनट. Let me check it again. And I will break this system. All is better. अच्छा मैं समझ गया भाई. मुझे लगा कि मैं लाइक सामने से आया हूँ लाइक फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ से. बट एक्चुअली हम ऊपर से आए हैं तो इट्स प्रोसीड. गुड वन गुड वन. बट गर्ल यू आर टारगेट तो लाइक where do we need to go? What is this? I think it's endless meadow. भैया बकवास सी म्यूजिक है भैया. मुझे लगा कुछ फंक होंगे, कुछ ड्रम्स होंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. कुछ भी नहीं है. The condos are safe too. हाँ, but what bullshit? No chance in hell I'm leaving the station. Is this a station? Can I go somewhere like? नहीं, नीचे नहीं आ सकते. You can go outside. Laundry. Come in भाई. बढ़िया है भाई वैसे ये. बहुत अच्छा है भाई. And I think ये बार है क्या? So yeah, we are proceeding. Where do I find my Tempest? Deployed when talking to the council and don't cause any trouble. What council, right? I don't know. We have talked about the bullshit plan for Tempest. And you are, and we are. Reach, you kept me waiting, dude. Come on, show them, show them. Quickly, council. I found this firearm. It malfunctioned and is currently out of order. And that's your game changer. Tempest, one broken limb can't change shift. Ironwood, okay? They are revolutionary. They are the like revolutionary जैसे ही हैं. Then what, you will use the gun to storm the wall and wipe out all your squad like last time? So use the fighter. You need a gun to wipe out your people back in Oscar. Head out Tempest. I was just out. Fuck! Fuck, bro! Tempest is so good. Restrike, sorry you had to witness that. Witness that. This is the kind of caring place, but we have all been through our fair share of hardships. Fair enough. Stay away from that kid nearby. He's as stubborn as a mule and can't see farther than his nose. You should reflect on that, Ironwood. You and Tempest share more than you think. I'll help you once I finish my work. Explore the station for now and make yourself at home. Okay? I'll talk first. Let me do this. Phoenix City Wall Specs. तो ऐसी है वॉल्स मत तो जानी रहा. तो इनके पास है लाइक कि फिनिक्स की वॉल कितनी बड़ी है, लाइक they can create something. They can like make a plan out of it, I think. And well, Tempest might be hot-headed, but he has a good soul. They are good people. Is Ironwood always like that? I'm sociable, stern, easily irritated, and dead tired. Why am I talking like this? Like, I'm so straightforward. I'm sociable, stern, easily irritated, and dead tired. Matt reacts like I am like मुझसे बात कर लो. Yes, but he is the most hard-working and reliable man on this entire station. His past is a heavy cross to bear, but he's still standing. And I trust Ironwood with my life as everyone else here does. Why did you tell Tempest to go out? He said something wrong on purpose, something harsh and hurtful. The boy is still very young. He grew up here behind the wall. He never knew the life we lived before, the choices and sacrifice we all had to make. But now you are here, so there's nothing left to lose. Starting our life anew feels liberating, don't you think? I'll go now. Sure. Get some rest and then we'll help you find a new place. Can I talk to him? The council. Grand Master are in charge here, he said correct. Alas, Tempest is as well. We are the council chosen by the people, not like anyone else volunteered through. I supervise scavenging and what's left of mining. We exchange the resources we find for food and medicine for the cops. Meant make sure everyone live in peace and with themselves and each other. And Tempest and his squad protect us from the scum that roams among the ruins of the old world. Tempest seems like a good person to me. Don't let his juvenile forever charm you. That boy knows shit about life. And some of his escapades cost us too much. Escapades, what is meaning by that? My advice to you, reach. Try not to fall victim to the games you play with death. I mean, Tempest is not bad, but they are like थोड़ा सा रिस्क पकड़ के चलते हैं द काउंसिल्स, है ना. टेम्पेस्ट इज लाइक कि जब ऐसे की तैसे मैं मारूंगा, मरेंगे तो मरेंगे, बट ये लाइक गो फायर हेल या बेबी दैट काइंड ऑफ वाइब. एंड इनका लाइक थोड़े से काम है, थोड़ी पीसफुल है, थोड़ी समझदारी से काम देता है. सो आई लाइक टेम्पेस्ट जैसा बंदा भी होना चाहिए भाई. लाइक जो पुश होता है ना चीज को आगे बढ़ाने का, वो टेम्पेस्ट जैसा बंदा ही कर सकता है. Farewell, I need to go. Just don't get yourself in an interview. So like, is it a peculiar creature? I have an inexplicable urge to observe its existence. People are drinking in some of the bar. We go out. Where do I find Tempest? You know it's the same every time. Reach every goddamn time. What is the same? Everything. I don't know Montreal. They never believe in me. They never listen. The truth is reach. They are comfortable where they are. Too scared to do something that matters. No big deal. I don't need them after all. There are no unlockable doors. There are no unblockable doors. Oh, there's someone who will help. Unlike those horses. First door on the side street. I'll be there. I think it is Yo-Yo. But first, I need some time to cool down. Go explore the station, Richie boy. Meet new folks. Offer them help. Make an expression. First door on the side street. Remember, it's to the right from the station main entrance. First door on the street side street. ठीक है वो वही योयो की कह रहा है the station. So how do you like the station so far? It is chaotic and better. They don't just the good all. The station by slope. It's strong and reliable. That's why folks choose to camp outside. They feel safer. This place house all our supplies and infrastructure. There's a hospital, a job center, same some shops, even an arcade. Won't spoil everything though. You had better explore it yourself. You seem to have some misunderstanding with my matriarch and Ironwood. The usual stuff. We have to tolerate each other to keep going. Honestly, they are great. Matriarch stopped the bloodshed when the walls was closed and negotiated with the cops. Ironwood, an experienced miner, he was the head of the best coal mine in the country. I respect them a lot. If only they respected me too. But what about you? Why are you a part of the council? I am the fresh air of the council needs. Haha. Bye bye. Where do I go now? So is this a station? Let's go out, buddy. What the fuck? भाई ये क्या है भाई? The first times. अब कहाँ पे जाएं हम? आई थिंक अब पहले तो योयो के पास जाते हैं तो आई थिंक मुझे अभी दे देगा वो जो ये बात है ना और एक रेक्टिफायर भी लेना है तो रेक्टिफायर कहाँ से मिलेगा फर्स्ट जो ऑन द दैट ठीक है मैट्रियार्क इज द लाइक मैट्रियार्क क्या लड़की है डैम देखने में समझ ही नहीं आता भाई Can I go inside? Yes. Come on, yo-yo. ये डार्क वाइब है यार यहाँ की और this note to yo-yo. Cheers, old man. Sorry I won't see you in person this time. Leaving again tomorrow morning. We have just returned from the raid. We reached Missouri. I think same shit everywhere. Roadblocks, quarantine zones, and fucked up ecology. The cops evacuated that small town I told you about a couple of years ago, moved everyone behind the wall and turned the town into a goddamn panel factory. But guess what? I have found some healthy looking corn, not a lot, but it has potential. So could you put together something like a hydroponic bed? I'll try and sprout the seeds even if a few cops are all we'll get. At least the kids will taste some real popcorn. This is letter from like Tempest. Okay, so it is a cutscene. Fuck, what a goddamn factory it is, भाई. क्या मस्त बना रखी है. और यहाँ पे ये भी है. Let me introduce you to my homeboy Yo-Yo. He's a bona fide tech wizard. Used to work with power banks, batteries, and other electromagnetic stuff. I have got something pretty special for me. Take a look at which. Yes, I have a damaged firearm. I need to function again so I can get back. Ain't be all after that boy. Oh, ha ha ha. This gun may be the only thing that can really help. Positive use. ठीक है तो फिर hand it over. Yeah. Uh-huh. Newer model, but the same principle. Safe to hold, but if you try to use it, boom, you're dead. Reach. Tempest told me you can use it. Is that true? Yes, the bioscanner is damaged, so. Oh, तो उसको लगे scanner लगे हुए हैं. It's not the energy system's damage shop, but the bioscanner is intact. Curious to use it in. What? What? That thing you just dropped could have held us all. Oh, गलती से गिरा दी. What was I? I have a kinetic coil prototype that the cop didn't manage to steal. That will replace the energy system just fine. So we are getting a gun in the end. But the battery state troubles me. Let's see what the problem is. Wait. No explosion? Let's see what the problem is. No. It just doesn't make sense to me. My friend had went in the database. But he never agreed to be a donor. There must be a technical mistake. It's impossible. Reach doesn't make mistakes, but let me run a check on a friend. भाई साहब क्या लैब है भाई वॉरेन की. डैम भाई. और लाइक वी वर हियर. यहीं पे एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था न्यू स्टार्टिंग. अगर मैंने मिस कर दिया था वो पार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. यहीं पे वो एक्सप्लोजन होता और लाइक दिस वाज द लैब. और डैम भाई. डैम इट. ही वाज सिटिंग देयर. वॉरेन वहां पे बैठा था. सेम गाय. So we are working for Phoenix. The prepared a statement for the annual press conference. Dr. Marsh Warren. Marsh Warren, 1993. तो ये बहुत पहले का टाइम है. I think 22 June. We remind you that your presence at the press conference is not required. We know how important it is not to distract you from your research. For any mistakes, found contact as soon as possible. Everyone found another Stevens code blocks, some old calibration rules and authorization stuff. Don't know how it keeps popping up in logs. That's bullshit. He left us like 15 years ago. Maybe it's a new profile imprint or Smith. I'll send Kevin to dig into that. Just don't nag on him, please. You know, bosses want us to keep rates squeaky clean and safe. How do I enter my... What do I do here, right? I just ran against a friend. He's in the database. There's no glitch here. Clear it first. Sign off. Operator Sophie. I'm not sure. What? Isn't Sophie a bit of friendly of guys? Starting your career with confrontation is a bad idea. The best thing to do is just follow orders and get on with your job. Okay. Am I Sophie? Or am I Reach? What the fuck is this, buddy? कुछ तो याद आ गया उसको. Dude, I already went all of a sudden. I cannot explain what happened, but I am fine now. Okay, Yo-Yo, what you got for us? This new energy system launches blast with impact energy. In theory, we need goddamn factors. Here, use it with caution. Remember, it will explode in any hands other than yours. So make sure to keep it away from. Like जब हम गोली चलाते हैं हमें दूर रहना होगा. और ये कौन आ गया भाई? Oh, time for a real test. Come on, show this bad boy a good time. You find got plenty of them anyway. Hit the mannequin. to gather enough energy, then shoot. Attacking and encountering enemies gain energy. ठीक है, it decreases by dodging and being passive. अच्छा लगेगा, हमें dodge करने से वो energy bar is filled. Press RT to shoot an enemy with a devastating effect. कर दूं क्या shoot? अबे हट. अब nothing. I'll reach my man. That is right. Means of murder are still what the corporation does best. But that's all you can do. Without a new weapon battery, the gun won't perform full of power. Can you make a new one? I tried once, it exploded while texting and Louis arm of Montreal was the most compatible, so she donated hers. Oh, how good she was. Yes, that was very charitable is an understatement. Yes, Montreal stuff as hell would bend over backwards to keep us all alive. In that the truth. क्या म्यूजिक है यार. चलें क्या भाई. Guess what? I think I know where to get one Uncle Ben's rifle. ठीक है. An old one, but since it's a rifle battery, it should be powerful enough. Wait, so you want to infiltrate Termite Light to steal their leader's most prized possession? थोड़ा सा सेंस नहीं बना रहा है and it's coming from a person crazy enough to help you. Come on, old man, we'll find our plan and put this guy around a piece of cake. Tempest is really good. And I thought you had outgrown your thirst for danger. At least let your new friend catch some breath. You're caring for him, buddy. Sure. Reach, go, rest at my place to the right of here. I'll catch up with you a bit later. So, फिर हम जा रहे हैं रेड करने. That word will never change. Let me talk to you. Quite a bit important. How did you get here? Cross the line, got the corporation meant nothing special. Was that because of the batteries? Aha declined to sell the patent rights, so they took them by force. ठीक है. Like he is really creative, भाई. Now my batteries power up their guns, used against those they were meant to help. भाई साहब. Nothing is worse than that. Regulator. The doctor needs a vacuum regulator. He asked me to come and collect it from you. That Soban broke it again. What a waste. That's the last one. Take it. Tell him to take better care of the transfusion machine next time. That's why I use that machine more than I use my blowtorch. Thank you, Hero. Alright. You have got what you need. Now give me some peace and let me. Okay. तो हमें एक वैक्यूम रेगुलेटर तो मिला. Last night, a minor accident occurred in the Phoenix City laboratory. Thanks to the coordinated work of facility personnel and PCPD squads who arrived on site minutes after the incident, the patients undergoing treatment were successfully evacuated and transported to laboratories in neighboring cities. The facility press office guarantees that the high quality of the medical service won't be affected by the incident. The Phoenix City laboratory won't be open for tours until further notice. For the safety of Phoenix City citizens, all roads surrounding the laboratory are temporarily cordoned off by the PCP. Yes, for those who arrive. I'm not reading it, buddy. Let's proceed. ठीक है तो to go यार भाई यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा था पहले उसको वो देते रेगुलेटर शिट यार ओ यहाँ पे वो डॉक्टर नर्स भी मिलेगी है ना? कम। ओ आई गेट इट, आई गेट इट। वेरोनिका कैसी हो? वेरोनिका अच्छी है भाई, as people say, and we are going to get to meet Miss Veronica. Oh my god, it's so fucking good, right? Except Cavalier isn't white. Please, no, Tempest and me. I will wait for him outside. Don't want Tempest only bring home those we trust like I trust him. Morning, nice to meet you. I'm rich, I am new. Still shocked, aren't you? I get it. Life took an unexpected turn you didn't ask for. Just remember, you are not alone. You can always talk to me or anyone else on the station. You sound strange, like a cheap counselor. Yes, we actually sound like that. Like a machine. Like a machine, damn. Ah, it's the collar. Has me breathe, we can off, hard to do that without awareness. Thanks, Dana Motor. Here's our guy. Yeah, hi buddy, you've been a good go, right? Right? Nice. Okay. Don't talk too much, okay? That really is the last battery we have. Oh, can't she talk? Don't tell me you're gonna miss my beautiful voice. To reach, I've got a gift for you. But I'm not can she talk? Is she AI type? Tempest. No rush, finish your talks. Rest well. Yada yada. I'll be bitching out in my room. ये सब साथ में रहते हैं ना? Veronica and she lives together. Come grab me when you're ready. Listen, Rich, sometimes Tempest can be pushy and reckless. Make sure you're not doing anything you don't want to, okay? तो भाई मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि टेम्पेस्ट कभी ना कभी at any time कुछ ना कुछ तो करेगा गड़बड़. Now take your time to get familiar with the station or we can just talk, up to you. I am going to मेरी भाई. I think इससे बात कर ही लेते हैं. Tempest will wait for you in his room. Don't rush. What happened to your larynx? अच्छा तो उसके larynx गायब है और she is human. Is that कुछ डिवाइस है जिससे ये टॉक कर पा रही है? लास्ट बैटरी है. It's alive and well, just in someone else's name. What? Did you sell it? I was a singer, so take a wild guess. What the fuck is this? Why even I sing? तो ये क्या मतलब होता है भाई? You did not. I'm sorry, my voice was the only thing I valued in myself. The cops offered me a lot of money for it. I refused. The next day they came and took what they wanted. Anyway, no compensation. Oh man, that's so sad यार. Like, ठीक है यार अब. Only a one-way ticket to the dead for pit for soon to be dead. But Tempest saved me, brought me here. Then he asked me Yo-Yo to make this talking collar thing, and the rest is history. Tempest saved my life, and a dozen other people too. Why does he do that? I do not understand. We did not know each other before. Well, that's what Tempest is all about. Beneath the loud voice and bad temper, in his eyes, we all deserve a second chance, even if it means an endless fight with something much stronger than him. So he will protect anyone on this station until his last breath. That's so good. But I can't deny it. Tempest inspires others because he sees them as someone worth fighting for. I think I need to go. Stay safe. Okay. What is this? Different plots pursuing the same style. I presume that Veronica was fond of tailoring. भाई ये मिल नहीं सकता क्या मैं? I thought it was something note or something, that shit. चलो पहले वो डॉक्टर का काम करते हैं और फिर आई थिंक वो लड़की को रेक्टिफायर चाहिए था, है ना? तो शायद बाद में मिलेगा मेरे को, मे बी। बट यार जगह बहुत सही है यार, ये बहुत सही जगह है एक्चुअली। लाइक दे क्रिएटेड देयर ओन स्पेस यार। Yeah, brought the regulator. Hey, now step aside and let me do my thing. It's done. He'll live, at least for today. See, but you have two patients here. They both need help. Listen, pal, I'm sorry, but there was only one enough blood for one patient. At first, there are two dead men or one alive. Simple math, really. Aye, let's leave them be. Both have a long road. Take this for your trouble. With the machine working again, I don't need it anymore. Nice. What I wouldn't give for an old fashioned right about now. What I won't give for the shit. I think what about the rectifier यार? लड़की के लिए रेक्टिफायर ले जाना था, मैं भी बाद में ले आया। क्या ही करेंगे अभी ले जाके, मिला तो ही है। और आई थिंक मैंने पूरी जगह एक्सप्लोर कर लिया। आधे घंटे लग गए भाई एक्सप्लोर करने में, लिटरली आधे घंटे लग गए मुझे। आधे घंटे कैसे भाई, 1 घंटा हो गया भाई, यहीं पे खड़े हैं। चलते हैं भाई आगे। बहुत टाइम बाद खेल रहा हूँ भाई ऐसे गेम में, लिटरली बहुत टाइम बाद ही खेल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि लिटरली लास्ट टाइम मैंने प्ले ऑप्सकर खेला था इन जनवरी, देन स्टार्ट प्लेइंग गेम्स, क्योंकि नहीं खेल रहा था, क्योंकि हॉस्टल में था, वहाँ पे नहीं हो पाता था। फिर अभी यहाँ पे आया हूँ फिर से, तो ट्राई करता हूँ खेलने का। इसके पहले कर चुका हूँ गेम डाउनलोड, बट मेरा मन ही नहीं लगा तब खेलने में। तो ये अच्छा गेम है, और उसके बाद मैं 2-3 गेम और कंप्लीट रहा हूँ, क्योंकि व्हाई नॉट, व्हाई नॉट। लेट्स प्ले फॉर वन मोर आवर। व्हाट इज दिस? People lack options, but they still try to remake this place into something familiar. 12 बज गए भाई, 15 लाइक आधे घंटे और खेलूंगा मैं, हो जाएगा। काम भी करना है भाई, गेम थोड़ी खेलता हूँ। Let's see. Rich buddy, make yourself at home. How do you like my modest collection? Does he play guitar? He's looking around. He play that. Um, that is a lot of things. Yeah, I know, right? Takes a lot of take a lot to sort the wheat from the chaff, you know. We'll have plenty of goods time here, but that's for later for now. Okay, give a look around. Curious what you'll get, sure I. I'm so curious what you get, sure is. What what is this? That's my chill out zone, best place to read, listen to music and all of ha ha ha. Nice yaar. What is this? The gem of the room, handmade. I keep the map updated and use it to plan patrol routes and other stuff. This is plan. ओ गिटार है भाई, मैं सोच रहा था पहले, मैंने वो रोज एंड व्हाट इज दैट, आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग दैट नेम भाई। ब्रिट्स फॉर माय वैलेंटाइन क्या था यार ये, आई नो दैट इट इज लाइक समथिंग, तो है क्या कहते हैं, नाम याद नहीं आ रहा। Veronica teaches me to play, and honestly, I think I've got the talent, and that's Devourer. The keeper of guitars are just being silly. Veronica play करती है यार. Are you done, pal? Yes, great. Oh, तो like इसके घर में secret tour है. Come on, follow me. Okay. चलो चलते हैं अभी. Where are you? Come here, come on. Come on, come on. Take the elevator. Safe. Now. Now. Here. Man. What is down here? अच्छा ये बहुत नीचे है भाई. Where is this Bucky? इसका garage ही है. It's a garage. This place is well equipped despite the limitation it is. Fascinating. भाई इसकी गाड़ी इतनी तगड़ी है. Well, may not be an apple pie order, but it's where the magic happens. One man's junk is another's treasure. I just love breaking stuff to make stuff. Bhai saab. The coziness on the other end, that's Veronica charm. She makes it home for us. Look around if you want, I'll wait. Stuff to keep my baby in good shape. She needs special treatment after most of her bites. Toyo says it's called katana. If it weren't for the awkward hit, I'd be my go-to. ठीक है, katana ही है वो actually. और क्या है? I prefer to work out when no one's watching. Nice way to let off some steam. अच्छा है अपन भी. कब पूछ गया? No. Just talking. This place. It's where I truly feel like myself. I'm done. That gift you mentioned, what is it? How you will like it, ready? Ta-da! What is it? An enhanced pickaxe. A miner's best friend, high-tech and user-friendly. I borrowed it from a good man, my mentor. This picture craves correctness from my shells. Ha 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 ha, nice one. Why would I need a pickaxe? I'm sorry, yaar, my pronunciation. Now that's a damn fine question. Luckily, I've got a plan to share. So we break into the termite layer, and then we take the battery from Uncle Man. Easy peasy. That does not sound like a very good plan. तो लाइक जो जैसा वेरोनिका ने बोला था ये कुछ उल्टा काम करने वाला. But लाइक भाई ये करना तो पड़ेगा ही भाई. It will fire, Reggie boy. If you have questions, ask away. If not, then jump on it and let's go. What is termite layer? Where is this termite layer located? Remember the Prospero thing I mentioned? Yes. Matriarch and Iron were very upset with you because of it. Oh my god. We don't say Prospero was Ironwood Sliver, the greatest coal mine in the country. Okay? It all went to hell quite literally. You sweet yourself. It's right where we are going. Okay? Who's termite leader? I thought termites were our enemies. And yes, they are. Then why do you think their leader will give us our gun battery? We won't. Uncle Ben is an absolute psycho who only speaks through violence. He rules the termites with an iron fist and they worship him like a god. So getting the battery might be a little tricky, but it's nothing we can do. Trust me. Ready to go. I think I'm ready. My learning here. Finally, jump to the end. Off we go. चलो भाई चलो. मजा आएगा. Crazy भाई, crazy. ओके तो ऐसी है गाड़ी. 4 पहियों पे ट्रेन की पटरी पे चलने वाली. Good, good, good. No. हाँ मुझे लगा उसको कुछ चल देगा क्या है? Because busting is going to take a bit more effort than I made out. Look like the termites have collapsed the tunnel to block off the ways. We'll have to leave my way guy. God foot. चलो जी चलते हैं अगर it's not like inside at all by it is not like it is not at all like that and let there be light. Yeah. And there's the subway stop, you know, it used to be ran the like a cattle market. Workers from all over the city were coming to Prospero to make a living. Like Prospero was the biggest mine, na? You can look around if you want to. Then let's move. It's not the coolest place to stay. ठीक है. I think एक map है and दो चीज़ है. I guess. What is this? What is this? ये कैसी है भाई? ये कैसे रुकता है भाई? ठीक है इसको पढ़ लेते हैं. Welcome to Prospero. As one of the U.S. largest coal deposits was discovered in 1950 just on the outskirts of the Phoenix city. It was clear as day that it requires an extraordinary shaft to handle it. Thus, Prospero was born. This experimental mining complex was introduced generally lines for the mining machines and equipment. Unlike the non-stop coal extraction from seven shaft nowadays, every modern coal mine follow Prospero's example because Prospero still remains the technological frontline that houses the bright and the astonished two patriots that work tirelessly to provide our energy system with high-class fuel. ठीक है. In cities of grand elevated line system, there are a lot of stations. Someone drew a black line across a map. I think it represents the wall. अच्छा तो लाइक लाउड होगा वो. चलो चलते हैं फिर साइट शीन. रीड मोर दैन proceed. We can proceed. Let's carry on. The environment created is really good यार. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से environment create कर रखा है. Do we need to go upside? सीधे ही जा रहा है. एक बार ऊपर नहीं जा सकती है. कट सीन है. Damn luck ain't on our side. Those bastards erased the train car. यार आप क्या करेंगे? It used to be lower and lower equal better because we could use it to get across. How do we get across now? Which boy, that's where the pickaxe come in. वो तो like ये खतरना है या pickaxe. You snag it on the wall, you climb up, and you lower the car from the other side. This was the pointy end. चलो फिर press B in combat to break the enemy armor. Armored enemies are immune to basic attacks and less until their armor is strong. Destroyed. Press X near shelby walls to hook onto them. Okay, press B in combat. Pickaxe का यही हो गया. Pickaxe उसने हमें यूज करने दिया है ना. ठीक है. Press X near shelby walls to hook onto them. चलो चलो अच्छा है, ऐसे करना पड़ेगा भाई। ओह, this action is available only in special places like Shell Wars. Go inside. चलो सही है। तो यही करना पड़ेगा। Till the pickaxe. नीचे चलना भाई। और मैं लोअर भी करना है तो काटना पड़ेगा उसको शायद। नाइस। Why can't Tempest use it? ऊपर ही जाना है उस साइड है। ये- Oh, armor break. Armored enemies are immune to basic attacks and gun blast until their armor is destroyed. Press B for heavy attack to destroy their armors. Oh fuck. अबे पिट रहा हूँ भाई मैं इस बार। Oh shit भाई। Ah, that's been good. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे भाई? आर्मर्ड वेपन। ठीक है, अब ठीक है। हाँ, that's good. भाई हेल्थ चली गई यार। तो थे एनिमीज तो थे। अब क्या करना है? नहीं। आ, जल्दी कर दी जानी नहीं चाहिए था उस साइड। करना क्या है? Yeah. How that smell. They have just killed someone here. Absolute animals. Let's keep going. Oh my god. Like, they want someone. Can't we just go? करो भाई बातचीत फिर से। Nice. Okay, let's refocus and time. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. Nice. Deep breath out. Okay. मेरा अब बोलने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। Good, we need that. You are a good breather. ठीक है। And let's keep it that way. It's going to get tough from here on out. After you. Okay. ओह दैट स्नाइपर वाली बंदूक। ठीक है, बच गया। ओके बड़ी, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी इजी। वेल, probably not easy, but let's be optimistic. We have two problems to see. Problem one's right in front of us. The river is a white drop, and we need to cross it. Problem two involves those idiots back there. If there's a cart flying by, we're going to get shot at. First problem sorted thanks to a trusty pickaxe. How do we solve problem two? It's simple. It's time to provoke the hole and see goes on. What are you? The fuck, man? Money fellas. What the fuck? Reach, it's time. Man, if you had another brain salad, would you run? What the fuck? भाई साहब, so crazy भाई. और डांस कर रहा है भाई literally. And I am just dying. Okay. Where's the retry? क्या करूंगा भाई, ये कैसे ग्रैब करूं? और डांस कर रहा है भाई. अरे यार भाई, चलो ठीक है, काम करते हैं. And then, अबे डन. 2-3 मौत तो लगती है भाई ये सीखने के लिए. वो भाई वो यहाँ पे आ गया. यहाँ पे क्यों आ गया? मार दिया गया टेम्पेस्ट को. नाइस. Successfully drew most of the attention to himself. Why did he do भाई? Oh, तो हम ऐसे जाएंगे. And we'll get shot अगर हम निकले नहीं टाइम पे तो. बच गए. चलो. Let it go back. Go and run. You are probably unaware that your body can endure such physical exertion. Warren. भाई वॉरेन तो भाई, वॉरेन का ये यंगर सेल है क्या? हुआ क्या है वॉरेन? वॉरेन तो बुढ़ा था काइंड ऑफ. मजा आ रहा है. All cross the bridge. Our timing must be precise. क्या करना है? जा ही नहीं सकते हम. क्या करना है? पीछे हो तुम क्या? ओ अच्छा, वहाँ सामने जाना है. अब कहाँ? ओ वो अभी भी हमें देख सकते हैं. और हमें आई डोंट नो कि हमें कहाँ जाना है. वो फास्ट. क्या करूं भाई मैं इस पे? क्या करूं? आई थिंक तो जा सकता हूँ मैं। ओह मैन, एक तो वो दिख भी नहीं रहा है ढंग से, क्या है क्या। अब मैं क्रॉस भी कैसे करूँ उसको, और ऊपर चढ़ने का कोई पॉइंट भी नहीं है। आई थिंक अभी यहाँ पे हम सेफ हैं, है ना। नहीं, हम सेफ नहीं थे वहाँ पे। आई थिंक अभी हम सेफ हैं। गो गो बडी, गो 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 गो। नाइस, ये करना था। बच ही गए। Hopefully, Rockford is safe and he is the key variable in our long-term success equation. अच्छी बात कर रहा है भाई। Now where's Tempest? Combat scene? Need to find this man and take the battery, Warren. आ गया भालू, आ गया भालू, आ गया। नाइस। ओए वो पीछे वो क्या है वो? टर्माइट टैंक। अरे बाप रे, वी आर फकिंग डेड। ओह, अरे नहीं, मेरी जान ऐसे मार हो जाए मुझे। नाइस। ओह, डबल साइड अटैक है, ठीक है। Now what? Easy था। Can't I heal myself? कहाँ जाना है? एक तो यार फ्रंट लोकेशन है, और एक काम करते हैं, पहले ऊपर चढ़ के देखते हैं दिया है तो कहीं जाना ही होगा। We need to look around for something. ठीक है, बिस्मिल्लाह। आयरन वुड्स इंटरव्यू। अच्छा। Evening Bugle, September 4, 1955, meeting Prospero's head and heart. In his office, Robert Ironwood keeps the Medal of Honor next to the photo of his wife and daughter. A veteran former Marine, Robert Ironwood keeps it the Medal of Honor next to the photo of his wife and daughter, veteran and former Marine. He, however, doesn't create. भाई ये लड़का है कि लड़की, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. However, doesn't create the impression of a martinet. His intelligent, charisma, and gentle smile speak for themselves. It's no wonder Ironwood's assignment to the position of the head of the Prospero mining complex was so well received by the miners community. Take 10 years ago, could I imagine myself leading a country's largest coal mine? No chance. तो ठीक है, उसका इंटरव्यू है. I don't care. ऐसे की तैसे यार. चलते हैं. यही है क्या माइन? माइन तो यही है, अलग सी माइन है बस. ठीक है, मिल गई. यहाँ से हम जम करके यहीं पे आते हैं एक्चुअली। क्यों भाई? अजीब सा एनवायरमेंट है यार। कहाँ से निकलूं? फिर से वहीं से आना पड़ेगा। क्या उखाड़ लिया मैंने ये सब लेके भी। चलो चलते हैं। ओके तो ये लिफ्ट है। The area behind the block is seemingly suffered extremely damage. One, the termites move the rubble around enough to fit through. The strange why would the gate be closed while people were still inside the mine? It is clear that they all died here because they could not leave. Oh, Grounded but never worried. Termites cared only about the batteries. That's very good. Start of recording D17C. Fuck another this pocket watcher. Sounds of impact. Unidentified male. Female. Ah, inaudible. My mask are cracked. Calm down, just calm down, just calm down. We are almost urgent. Give me another charge. Hey, holy crap, Lucy, they closed the gate. The hell? Fuck, denial. Do you copy? Open the gate to the. Do you copy shit? Ooh, gate ही नहीं खोलता है तो बहनचोद. Can't from breath. Hold on, for fuck's sake, Leonard Clamper. Wow. The abandoned us, so don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Come on, guys, damn denial. We cut through torch, give me plasma torch, just a little. Ah, sounds of impact. And I need to find female, inaudible, unidentified. No. मार दिया गया ना सबको. तू ही मारा. हा 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 हा. The game is not impactful यार. Like बहुत लंबा है और मैं बस बंद करने वाला हूँ इस गेम को. लाइक एक आध ऑटो सेव मिल जाए बस तो मैं खत्म करूँ इसको यार. गेम अच्छा है वो नहीं कह रहा हूँ बट वही है कि गेम अच्छा ही है. पर कैसे जाएंगे हम? How do we get to the upper side? ये ऊपर जाने का रास्ता कहाँ है? दबा दिया. गेट भी लॉक कर दिए. आई थिंक इसको थोड़ा सा टाइम देना ही पड़ेगा इस puzzle में. एक तो साला स्प्रिंट भी नहीं कर सकते इस गेम में. जाते ज्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. Fuck. कुछ भी नहीं है वैसे वहाँ पे. लाइक ऊपर जाएंगे भी कैसे हम? नहीं है भाई जाने के ऊपर. We need to do something there only. चलो चलो. तो समथिंग है. नहीं वहाँ तो जाने ही है. ओ उस पे वो है भाई. वो क्या कह सकते हो? यही समझने का ना. How do you get that side? It's for रही है. Can't we use this? यार इसको यूज करने दो यार। कहाँ जाऊँ यार ना। I'm stuck. क्या दिमाग लगाऊं यहाँ पे। I need to solve this one on my own at least this time. कुछ मूवी बदल कुछ भी होता हूँ। और बैकवर्ड जाने के लिए भी खत्म है रास्ता। ये चल क्यों नहीं रहा है ये समझ नहीं आ रहा वैसे। और can't we go outside? कुछ तो होगा इंटरेक्शन के नाम पे। कुछ तो होगा कुछ तो। मुझे ऊपर से जाना है यार लेकिन ऊपर जाने की रास्ता कहाँ है। वो देखो ऊपर वो भी है लीवर। एक्चुअली हाँ। ऊपर से ही जाना है ऊपर। लीवर वगैरह। I'm stuck भाई I'm stuck. I need to see YouTube to do this. वहाँ जाके कुछ मिलेगा नहीं। इससे लेट्स वो पर ही क्या करेंगे एंड एक मिनट। मे बी नहीं। नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा। कुछ तो है यहीं पे कुछ करना पड़ेगा ये तो वहाँ पे दिया है। कुछ मूव नहीं किया गया यार। मूव नहीं करा गया यार कुछ। एक काम करते हैं बैकवर्ड ही चलते हैं और what if that door is closed? मतलब ओपन हो गया वो गेट तो। नहीं डोर तो ओपन हुआ ही नहीं। Do I need to see YouTube for this? होना भी तो चाहिए भाई कोई पजल है। मैंने लिटरली इस गेम को फिट कर से डाउनलोड कर रखा है तो हेल्प दिस वन। I need help. Literally I'm stuck भाई। यहाँ तो कुछ भी हो ही नहीं रहा। नहीं maybe we need to continue on the next part यार क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो रखा है। लिटरली 1 घंटे 40 मिनट हुए हैं और एक भी बजने वाला है दी रियल टाइम। मुझे लाइक दूसरे काम भी करने हैं आज। इसको देखना पड़ेगा। और हाँ वो ऊपर वो भी है भाई। Can't we start from the reset checkpoint? इतना ही सा आ रहा है। ये वो ऊपर सेट होगा ये इसको नीचे ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा। इस पे हम क्लाइम। वेट ये क्लाइम करने के लिए है क्या है क्या आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे कुछ क्लाइम करने के लिए। नीचे लेके आऊंगा मुझे वो चेक करने को पीछे चल गया रहा है, कुछ हुआ रहा क्या पीछे, कुछ तो हुआ होगा, कुछ भी। पे क्लाइम नहीं कर सकते यार ये। हाँ मिस्टर कॉन्डा पजल बहुत अच्छी पजल है यार ये। एज अ गेमर मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता यहाँ पे, बट कुछ तो होगा भाई, कुछ तो होगा। लाइक हम यहाँ पे आ गए, अभी हम यहाँ पे जंप भी नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी तोड़ा फाड़ी नहीं कर सकते हम यहाँ पे। और डन भाई, ये तो बहुत घटिया पजल है भाई, कुछ भी मिल नहीं रहा भाई लिटरली। और ऊपर वो ऊपर साइड वो भी था लाइक कि लाइक ये ऊपर बॉक्सेस रखे हैं ड्रॉप करने के लिए। What if I go down? क्या नहीं, ऊपर ही जाओ एक बार भाई। चीप हुआ क्या? हाँ ये वो है, इस तो है घटिया था। भाई यहाँ से हम आ क्यों नहीं सकते यार। बाय बाय गाइस, बाय बाय, कल खेलेंगे।